Welcome everyone
To Alternatives and Options. I am your humble narrator voice, and today we'll be taking a look at... Tyrell, you doing alright?
I'm sorry, Mr. Narrator. I have a date coming over, and I have, no cleaning supplies, and my kitchen is a mess.
Wait, you have a date?
Yeah, actually, after the Valentine's Day episode, I was, pretty set, and, now I'm here.
Congratulations. What about your friend?
He's not important. What is important, though, is that I really do need to clean my kitchen, and I don't have anything or any alternatives,
Hold on. I already had an episode planned for today.
Oh, come on. I need this one. And it's right there. It's right there.
Fine. In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at alternatives for house cleaners.
Alright, so now what?
What do you mean now what? Don't you know what to do next?
Well, yeah, I do, but I was hoping we could maybe skip that part.
But it's a key part of the show.
Yes, I know, but I am really short on time right now, and I really do have to clean my kitchen.
Well, I guess we could...
I have an idea.
Hello?
Avery,
What?
I need you to talk about the history of house cleaners.
Wait, what?
No, it's it'll be okay. It'll be fine. I have to be somewhere.
Well, looks like you just got a house call.
I guess I can spare a minute or two.
Wait, do you just carry that with you wherever?
I'm dedicated to my job.
Well, alright then.
Let's go back to early human civilization. Back then, people washed the surfaces by rubbing them with sand and water.
Are those supposed to be cavemen?
Fast forward a little, the Greeks and Romans add vinegar into the mix, using it to disinfect various surfaces.
Well, if you ignore the horrible smell, this works pretty good.
Meanwhile, the Egyptians create this solution called natron, a mixture of sodium carbonate and bicarbonate, and started using it to clean their homes.
Well, I guess you could say we're naturals at this. Because natural. Just move on.
Then, in 1967, a man named Roy Bambro created the first ever spray cleaner, Fantastic, which revolutionized the cleaning industry.
A magic stick that produces cleaning products? This is fantastic. Wait a minute. Say that again.
Now modern-day cleaners are used everywhere around the world to clean various places and people's homes, allowing for comfortable, clean living. And the rest is history.
All right, now to our alternatives.
Wait. Aren't you forgetting something?
No, not at all. On to our alternatives.
No. The game plan. You know what the goal is for today?
Yeah, I know. It's just, she's gonna be here any minute now, and I am in a rush.
Come on, you can't just skip the game plan.
Okay, now that we know our OG, what is our GP? First, we gotta figure out our alternatives. We're looking for the purest, cleanest, and shiniest options out there. Then we go out and scrub around looking for them. Finally, we come back to the hack lab and find out which one works best to clean up my apartment, preferably before my date gets here. All right, can we now get our alternatives?
Yes, we can get to the alternatives.
Thank the maker. All right, it's time to think about those alternatives.
So, what's our goal for the day, Tyrell?
Well, we're trying to clean up my kitchen counter in a way that's cheap, effective, and preferably quick.
Well, since we're in your kitchen, why don't we look for some alternatives there?
Oh, good idea. What about lemon juice? Its acidic property should definitely have an effect on the stain, and, they smell kind of nice.
I feel like I'm getting deja vu.
Thinking about another kitchen-based alternative, how about vinegar?
Yeah, that could work. It's also pretty acidic. It smells a little bad, though.
All right, just one more. I don't know. I'm kind of out of kitchen ideas.
Well, let's think a little broader. How about household alternatives instead of just ones from your kitchen?
Oh! I have some hydrogen peroxide in my cabinet.
That's not bad. It's a disinfectant. It should work.
All right, so now we can go get our alternatives, right?
Yeah. I don't think there's anything left.
Thank goodness, I lost my keys.
You're kidding.
Yeah, no, just stall until we can find them. Come on.
But what do you mean stall? I'm just a voice. Find someone else to stall.
That's not a bad idea. Avery.
guys, so today we're here asking people which of our 3 alternatives will work best to clean Tyrell's countertops. If you guys had to choose an alternative to a cleaning product, would you guys choose lemon juice, vinegar, or hydrogen peroxide?
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay.
I would use hydrogen peroxide.
Probably vinegar. Yeah, vinegar.
Okay. Hydrogen peroxide, lemon juice, and vinegar.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Lemon juice. It's plant-based and it's relatively, and just like vinegar, it is relatively non-toxic. However, I think lemon juice, smells a little bit better than vinegar does.
I mean, I think hydrogen peroxide sounds the most scientific, so I feel like that one might have the best chance of working.
Lemon juice.
I'm gonna pick lemon juice because it smells good. I like the smell of lemon juice.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide easily. Yeah, no, for real.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Hack Lab, except today we're not exactly in the lab today. We're actually just in, we're in my kitchen. And we're gonna try out some of those alternatives that we learned earlier to try and get things a little nicer for my date later today. And of course, I brought some help. Let's go. All right, it looks like we got some nasty stains over here all over my oven. So we're just gonna try and use this hydrogen peroxide and kind of gauge out if it will actually work. I don't know. I didn't open it. Watch your mouth. Don't even say nothing to me. I probably don't need to do the dagger one, but here we are. Now I just need to try and wipe it off. So we're gonna take some paper towels. Okay.
Oh wow!
You know what? It's actually, that's not.
Oh wait.
That's not.
It kind of came off instantly.
That actually.
Get that spot by the edge.
Right here. You know what?
Oh, wow.
With that, it'd be kind of nice. For what it is, I barely used any hydrogen peroxide, and this looks like I legit just cleaned it. And since it doesn't smell good, it doesn't smell bad, at the end of the day, you don't need your stove to smell like anything in specific, so maybe that's for the better.
You know, we should probably clean this because
Yeah, it is filthy.
Nasty.
That is actually perfect, actually. We could try that.
Okay.
Lemon. Towel.
I think
Did you forget to take the
spray-
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Of lemon. You know what? It smells pretty. Listen, let me get a whiff of that. Oh yeah.
Just get in there.
Let's go and try. Let's do it right on my cleaned oven top, bro. Because why not? Okay.
The thing. Oh.
We're gonna try again. And to be fair, it looks better than when we left it. But I mean, I'm just scrubbing right now. Yeah, now we're reaching the points like the scum marks that actually, yeah, this clearly is just not the move. Okay, so this option here is going to be just straight up vinegar. I mean, it's something that you probably have in your kitchen already. I will not lie, the biggest thing I'm worried about with this is the smell. Oh, it smells so much like vinegar, dude.
You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm not like, Oh, Avery, it smells like vinegar.
Oh, that smells really bad.
Oh my
But
gosh.
it did clear the countertop.
I mean, yes, that is true. It did, in fact, clear the countertop. So you could have used vinegar to clean this, right? You were more than able to do that. But you know what else you could have used? Pay your bills, and you wouldn't have to worry about that. Okay. All right, we're gonna
Keep it in that area.
All right, we're gonna wipe each one down.
Lemon juice.
Try it with the lemon juice. You know?
Oh.
Look at that. That actually kind of wiped it
That
up.
came right off.
Okay, now let's try the vinegar.
Ooh, not as good. Deb, I feel it in the tension. You kind of see it. It more like smears.
More residue left behind as well.
Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, low key, not doing much. I mean, it looks like it's the lemon juice.
Let's try the lemon juice again.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. Oh my god, it really breaks it down. Honestly, okay. I know it might not be able to see, but as we're doing it, the more we there's a lot less tension with it than other things.
After just a minute of wiping it off.
Like, you might have it down. All right, now that we cleaned my kitchen.
How did we do?
As for effort and equity, they're more or less the exact same.
Right.
Simply some elbow grease, regardless of whatever it is going to get it done. And on top of that too, they can all be found within your home or at your Dollar Tree or anything like that. So at the end of the day,
let's take a closer look at effectiveness. Hydrogen peroxide worked well on the countertops where the stains weren't as stuck on, but for those hard, dried on stains, it wasn't as effective. One last thing to talk about is the smell. Hydrogen peroxide didn't have much of a smell, so not really a positive or a negative, but for the other products, that is definitely not the case.
next up is lemon juice. And honestly, it was definitely the most interesting of the three. First off, let's start off with the smell specifically. The smell had that sense of a lemony sort of vibe like you would expect out of a lemonade and such, but it's not necessarily a bad smell per se, much like the vinegar. You would be okay with your house smelling this way after you cleaned it. Now, for the things it was actually good with cleaning on, it did not do that stellar with the stovetop or anything revolving like the gunk and things like that underneath the burners. But when we actually used it on the pan itself with the dried on food, it was honestly the best option by a landslide. It legitimately broke down the food and made it easier to wipe things overall. Of course, the other three work just fine, but lemon juice is the only one that I would genuinely recommend for that.
Last and definitely least, vinegar. Not only was the vinegar unsuccessful in all of our tests, it also smells horrible. So honestly, it does more harm than good.
So with everything being totaled up, it's pretty clear that lemon juice is our favored one today. With hydrogen peroxide coming in second, and in dead last, unfortunately, it has to be vinegar. It just did not live up to the hype. Well, I'm just happy that we found a few more alternatives to make my oven and my kitchen overall look a little bit nicer.
Right.
But I still have that date that's coming, so I'm gonna need you to get out.
Now?
Yeah, get out.
Right now?
You get out,
Me?
you get out, everyone get out. Now, go!
Why can't things ever go smoothly?